So, hello friends. Now you know that the prelims is coming, and considering the coming prelims, I wanted to share this revision schedule. See, this revision schedule which I have made, this is according to my understanding कि हर सब्जेक्ट को कैसे प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए. According to that understanding, I have prepared this schedule. You can follow this schedule to the extent that because I have made this schedule considering that uh, you are already going to appear the prelim on 31st of May, right? So you prepared according to that, but unfortunately prelims got postponed. But most of the things you had prepared at that time. आपने prepare किया था. Now the thing is that prelims got postponed, and in between the, like also you prepared for mains. Now it's time to shift to the prelims preparation. So without taking time, let's see. So see what why I kept art and culture and medieval, that many questions are coming, some 10-12 questions are coming from this portion, and it takes lot of revision. So if we can finish this portion at earliest, then you can revise. मैं ये कहूंगा कि ये आप अच्छे से अभी करके आना, बाद में आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं कि इसको थोड़ा बहुत रिवीजन आप कर सकते हैं. यू कैन रिवाइज दिस maximum times, okay, because it takes a lot of revision, right? So art and culture you can finish, like I am giving the schedule from Monday today only, okay, forgive me for that. So 26 से लेके, but you can start from 27th, okay, 27th से लेके 8th of August तक you can prepare art and culture and medieval. So make sure that with all these subjects you try to finish the current affairs associated with it, okay. So associated current affairs you have to do. Now it's up to you whether you do PT kind of thing or you do monthly kind of thing. It's up to you. So but इससे थोड़ा सा लॉजिकल ये बनता है कि you can follow the PT thing, right? So yeah, if you have followed monthly also, then in the monthly section you can go in that section and you can finish art and culture of that. But this is a long period of time. Just don't just finish art and culture, but other, जैसे you can finish इसके साथ you can finish the S&T वाला section. So current affairs you can finish simultaneously with this. And I have kept three tests regarding this. These are the sectional tests. So first test you can appear on 1st August. You can again, in art and culture, last time they asked many questions which were based on ancient thing as well. You need to consider that thing as well, okay. So RS Sharma, and see, I am not going in the book list because multiple times I have shared the book list and you have the book list, okay. So you make sure that you use that book list. And ओके, सो माय सजेशन वुड बी, इसके साथ बाकी भी करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ लेना, जैसे एसएनटी हो गया, फिर यू कैन रीड जो भी स्कीम्स हो गया, राइट, स्कीम्स, एसएनटी स्कीम्स, then economic survey, like see these things you can simultaneously read, but make sure that you finish art and culture and medieval in a comprehensive manner, okay, right? Then you can, within a week you can finish modern Indian history. Again, modern Indian history, some 6-7 questions are coming, and they are asking difficult questions. So whatever the book list is, make sure that you read the modern Indian history within a week. And I have skipped two tests, okay, two tests I have again 13 on 15, okay. So 15 अगस्त को बाकी लोगों को छुट्टी होगी, देश आजाद होगा, लेकिन you are going to read about modern Indian history, okay. Then again, I have clubbed two subjects together, geography and environment. Geography and environment. See, I have kept a flexible schedule 16th of August to 29th of August, right? But geography ke liye you can give some 3-4 days because only you need to read his NCRTs. Okay. So make sure that you just read NCRTs and not more than that. Okay, you can finish NCRTs because they are asking from geography very few questions. Last time they asked questions from agriculture, which again get converged some part in economics as well, because there were few questions, they were directly from the economic survey. If they are asking question related to MSP, some portion goes to the economic section as well, okay, you don't forget this. So geography, that portion will be covered. Geography and environment, again, environment say they ask 15 to 20 questions, again mostly focused on current affairs. For environment specifically, I would say that along with the if you are even reading vision, you can cover the insights as well, Okay, you can cover the insights as well. That thing definitely is gonna help you. Okay, so that thing will help you. So make sure that you cover current affairs of environment in detail, because most of the paper of environment is based on the current affairs. Okay, they are asking a lot of current affairs based question related to environment. Geography, they are asking hardly 2-3 questions. So again, GC Leong and all these things, it's up to you. If you have revised earlier, then you can revise GC Leong again, but again ज्यादा तो sense बनता है नहीं. Okay, that's up to you. Then I have kept after that polity, because again polity and economics, these are very conceptual questions. I have given 1 week to polity, 1 week to economics. Okay, जो भी आप polity पढ़ेंगे, most of the thing is in September and this is also in September. यहाँ पे भी 2 टेस्ट है, यहाँ पे भी 2 टेस्ट है. These 2 टेस्ट again take very seriously. Okay, ये टेस्ट अच्छे से सीरियसली लेके सॉल्व करना, जिसमें आपके सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर हो जाने चाहिए. Most of your concepts should be cleared in these 2 tests, and these 2 tests, make sure that you read entire polity. If you give such a revision that you need not revise it later, you need not revise it later. Okay, these 2 subjects you are going to do in a very comprehensive manner. Most of your revision will take modern Indian history, medieval art and culture, because these are the volatile subjects. It takes a lot of your time, but these are conceptual subjects. Polity ho gaya, economics ho gaya, right, environment ho gaya. These are conceptual subjects. It does not take your lot of time. Okay, so this is my schedule, but along with this schedule, I will suggest few things, few extra things. Okay, I have suggested tests. These are the tests you can follow. Maybe I will try to upload. You can take any standard test from the market. Okay, you can take any standard test from the market and you can solve these tests. Okay, so you try to revise this properly in this short period of time. Okay, so that's the thing. And then along with this, make sure that you solve some CSAT test as well. Okay, you make sure that you solve some CSAT tests as well. Okay, CSAT के कुछ test solve करना. Maybe you can solve one test on 15th August. You can note this down. Okay, CSAT का एक टेस्ट 15 अगस्त को सॉल्व कर लेना, एक 29 अगस्त को सॉल्व कर लेना, देन एक 12 सितंबर को सॉल्व कर लेना. दिस इज 12/9, दिस इज 10/9. Okay, okay, 10/9 and 12/9. Okay, so this is also 5/9, 3/9. Okay, 3/9 ये सितंबर है, ये सारा सितंबर है. Okay, so make sure that you solve 15 अगस्त, एक 15 को, एक 29 को and एक 12 सितंबर को. solve these 3 CSAT tests. Okay, so don't forget to solve the CSAT test. I have not included S&T in this, but in this period, art and culture wala period, you can cover S&T, because S&T say they are asking 10 questions. Many questions they are asking on the biotechnology portion. Biotechnology portion, they are asking this question, so make sure that you finish that portion as well. Okay, so it's up to you. I'll suggest that you should finish that. Then बात रही दूसरी economic second revision and third revision. I will say that second revision you should give some 15 days, 13 September to 26 September, right? 13 September to 26 September you can give the second revision. Here you can solve 5 full length tests, FLTs. 5 full length tests you should solve. It will give you confidence. Again, at the end, don't pressure yourself. Okay, don't pressure yourself. Okay, so अच्छे से plan करके try to give some 3 days, 2-3 days per subject. Again, polity and economics, try to cover conceptual things so that you need not revise them many times. Then third revision you can do 27 September to 8 October. You can cover the third revision. Okay, so the more you revise, the more better confidence you get. Okay, so that was my funda, always to revise more and more. Exam is on 10th of October. So 9th October you should just relax. 9th October you should just relax. That's why I didn't keep anything on the syllabus. Again, I have done while forming this schedule, I have done the reverse planning, and in that reverse planning I have formulated the schedule. Okay, so make sure that कि ये वाले सब्जेक्ट्स जो आर्ट एंड कल्चर वगैरह बाद में क्यों नहीं पढ़ सकते, because there will be lot of pressure, and in pressure you cannot read the difficult subjects. Always you can read the easy subjects. Okay, so that would be my suggestion. Okay, so this is the schedule you can follow for your prelims. So all the best to all of you, from my side. Okay, and Also, I will make the videos whenever possible. Okay, I'll make the videos whenever possible. All the best to all of you and take care. Thank you.